Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we talk about cryptocurrencies, do technical analysis, and price predictions every single day on multiple different cryptocurrencies. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Ethereum, and things are getting really interesting with Ethereum as well as they are with Bitcoin and many other of the other cryptocurrencies as well. Now, Ethereum now is doing a really nice recovery over these last 12 hours. What we were seeing was did have a pretty significant price drop in fear of the CPI data. And then after that, then we saw a very large rebound within the price of Ethereum. And not only that, the price is currently almost up for the day. So it's been really nice seeing this rebound actually happen, and Ethereum is working its way back up in within this trend that it was consolidating within. Now, as I had showed in the previous video, that Bitcoin has been in the process of actually breaking out of its trend. Ethereum is very close to doing the same thing as well. So these are all very important things to pay attention to, and definitely worth keeping updated on how it is going to continue playing out. So we did see the price of Ethereum fall down within this price zone, where we saw Ethereum's price drop down as low, a little bit below $12,000. So that was that confirmation that we needed to look at this pattern a bit differently. We were wondering, could this have been a possible new wave to start here, or was this all part of a 5-wave series within a wave 2 to the downside before we had a wave 3 that would be breaking out of this trend? So as we're looking at things now, we can now just say, hey, this was not an ABC correction. This was a 5-wave, and how we're going to correct this is saying that things played out in this way. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, smaller wave 4, and then our wave 5 was lower than our wave 3. So far, this is how things are looking. Now, I'm not confirming that we have actually completed this yet. There could be a little bit more to fall tomorrow. Who knows how that's going to happen? But since we did see the price drop lower than where it was within this wave 3, we know now that it was not just an ABC correction, and we're still within this second wave here. And this is of that much larger impulse that we're currently working on. And that's saying that this is a wave 1, and this is a wave 2, and then we're waiting for that wave 3 to take us into the upside, and then start going on all of our other waves right after that. So to simplify things, this is how it could look, but obviously the timeline here could be much different. And the wave 5 actually, as it goes up here with the wave 3, the wave 5 more than likely will be the one that will do a really nice retracement, possibly all the way back to its highs. Now, this will take us sometime into 2023, more than likely. And that's what I'm thinking, that this is how it could be playing out. Now, also worth looking at right now is how the price is working its way back up to get right back into this 618 Fibonacci level. And that price up around 1320 is where that is. And I think that this will be the whole thing that we're going to need to start breaking out of these trends here. And more importantly, speaking of trends, and let's actually just turn the artwork off here so we can look at a few key things here. So let's look over at our bull market support band, how things are lining up with that. And as you can see, this is playing out real nicely. We have Ethereum working its way to lining right up within this, as the bull market support band is going to update, and it has not managed to actually be on the other side of this since back in March and April, the end of March and beginning of April. As that whole first quarter had come to an end, we saw a little bit of a bear market rally then, and then the price of Ethereum had just dropped. Bitcoin dropped. Every cryptocurrency basically dropped. We had that attempt in August after we had seen that 52-week low, and now all this consolidation, the sideways trading, is really leading Ethereum into the other side of this bull market support band by default, or the bear market resistance band, as we're calling it right now, to soon be called the bull market support band by default. And now to give you a better look of things, here's the trend that we've been in with Ethereum. Just like Bitcoin, it's been within a trend. And now you can see how this consolidation is leading us right out of the trend, right into the bull market support band. The bull market support band has already been working its way out, and so has the moving averages here. So let's go ahead and change this over to the daily. And what we can see here is that things are just looking very nicely. We currently have our 100-day moving average that is on the other side of this trend line. And we have our 50-day moving average just moving right into that right now. We're currently still under our 20-day moving average, but not a whole lot of price movements really need to go to really start overtaking these previous moving averages. The 20-day moving average is at a price of around 1336. So basically right at the Fibonacci level of 618. And then the 50-day moving average is about at 1420. And that would also put us right within the bull market support band. And very soon, over these next couple of days, if we were to work our way up to that, be able to break right through this trend. And that's where I'm at with this, is seeing how all the moving averages are moving their way out from the trend. Then this trend that we've been in since Ethereum had been at its all-time high is in the process of ending. And this is a whole new pattern, a whole new triangular pattern that we're getting ready to start. And this is where things can now just have their own moves, and things can get very bullish from here. We might even be able to see a very nice retracement with Ethereum as it continues to move up within these waves. Now, I think that as we do break out of this, which I also need to actually adjust where this wave 2 ends now, and now just looking at how things are going to be playing out, no guarantees how quickly it's going to go up. But for simplicity, I think that the price of Ethereum, as it does break out of this trend and it works its way up, is going to go to around $3,000 within that third wave. And that's, I know that's very bullish, but that's what I'm thinking. I think that we're going to be seeing a very nice move to the upside. Now, just like how we had seen 5 waves within the first wave, and then 5 waves now within this wave 2, wave 3 will have it's a 5-wave move, and then more likely we'll see the same thing with wave 4 and then wave 5 as well. So things are coming together very nicely. I like seeing this. This is absolutely amazing to be seeing how things are playing out. Now, we do have, of course, interest rates to be expecting here. We have the FOMC meeting. We have CPI data report next month as well. So things still, though, seeing how we just got some news about slight increase of inflation, and we actually saw the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin up higher than where it was over these last 2 days. I think that says something right there, and I think that's very important. So anyways, we'll just leave it right here. We know where we're at. We know what we have to do. And if we do have that confirmation that we're within a wave 3, this is where we're going to start seeing these better price movements. So I don't really want to go too much into anything else. I think that we have that confirmation that it was a 5-wave impulse, but we don't have that confirmation that the wave 5 that we're in right now has come down all the way to guarantee the wave 2 is complete for that wave 3 to start. So that's where the updates are worth to pay attention to. So anyways, with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you in the next cryptocurrency video coming right after this. See you in the next one.